Hello everyone, this is 10kbm and today we are talking about how to grow your business. This is part 3 on how to grow your business. In the part 1 I told you love your customers. In the part 2 I told you your customers are kings and queen, and I told you that if there's no customers there's no business. So if you don't watch the part 1 and the part 2, please pause the video right now and go back and watch the part 1 and part 2. Right, part 3, I'm going to be telling you today that customers are key. Customers are key. Customers are key to grow your business. What does the key do? A key opens doors, right? No matter what the door is, be it a steel door, a wooden door, an iron door, whatever the door might be, a glass door, if there's no key to open that door, the door will remain shut except you break it down. Or even if it's just a safe or anything, that as long as there's a lock on it, you need a key to open it. So that's just the truth. In the business sector, there is a lock. There are locks everywhere, and you need keys to open that. But the only universal key that can open all these locks are customers. You need more money, you need more customers. If you need more money, you need to get more customers. So just name that thing that you need today. Name that thing that you need, that you will say you need, and it will all still go down to you getting more customers. So customers are key in your business. They are key to your business. They open doors. If you want more money today, you need to serve your customers well. You need to show them love. You need to show them that they are kings and queens, so that they will open door of prosperity to you. So that they will open door of prosperity to you. They will bring in more money for you. Your cash will flow well. I said before, if your customers are served well, they become keys to you to get to other customers, even without you telling them. They make referrals for you. They tell other customers, wow, you need to go there, you need to go there. This place is very good. Can you remember the last time you went to a restaurant and then the next day your friend talked about going to a restaurant, and without the restaurant telling you to refer your friends over, you just told your friends, oh man, you want to go for a restaurant, you want to go for a date, okay, you just go for so place, just go to OGT's restaurants, or just go to, no matter what the restaurant's name is, just go there. They treat you well, they show that they care, they show you love, they bring the vibes, they make the environment the way you want it. That's what you say to your friend, even without the restaurant telling you to refer them, because of the way they served you. So that's just the truth. This is 10kbm and we are your friends, and we will tell you the truth so that you achieve success in a snap. Customers, beg your pardon, customers are the key to your business growth. You want to succeed in business? Focus on the customers. You might have a great product, you might have a great service, but if you don't serve your customers greatly, you will still end up not having nothing. The product and the service will just be there, and it will go nowhere, and to bring nothing for you. That's the truth, and we will tell you this. You need to know that your customers are the key to unlock every door, be it financial door. Your customers are the key to open it. Be it a good product, they will tell you, oh, we love this product because of the way it affected us to so and so way. So your customers are the key. No matter what you do, be it the service, your customers are the key. This is 10kbm and we are your friend. Please stay tuned for the next